Every child has an imagination. What if that creativity could do more than just dream? What if it could build? What if it could create fantastical worlds? At Soronko Academy, we turn screen time to skill time. Our summer coding and design school is designed to empower children with the skills and then the tools to build, create, and develop their own digital world. For our youngest learners, block-based programming introduces them to logic, problem solving, and storytelling in a way that it is fun and engaging. For our teens, we dive deeper from animation with Blender to game development with Roblox and AI essential tools training. We help them bring their bold ideas to life. This is not just about learning tech. It's about building confidence, sparking innovation, giving kids the power to create their own futures. Give your kid a head start. Join us this summer at Soronko Academy, where creativity meets technology.